Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at a Kodak INSTAMATIC X-15F model. So this is part of the INSTAMATIC line of cameras, portable cameras, point and shoot of course. And we're just going to make some observations on it. It's very similar to the X-15. Feel free to check out my video on that camera, but there are some differences. They've evolved the camera a little bit further that Kodak did. So one of the first differences that I spot right away is the flash attachment point. This is for flip flash, thus the F. So a flip flash, which I don't have, is like a bank of multiple flash bulbs, and they would mount vertically into the top, thus giving some offset distance from the actual shutter, thus helping to prevent the red eye effect when taking pictures of people and other people with ocular lenses, etc., animals, etc. So, and as each flash element is used up in the flip flash, once you're halfway through, you would disconnect, flip it over, and reconnect the other end to use the other remaining flash elements, thus flip flash. And these will be denoted by the model letter F. So if we go ahead and take a look at the other basics on this one, here we have Kodak in all capitals, and then the Kodak logo here with just the capital K. Very plasticky box design with the faux kind of texture for vinyl, but it's still hard plastic. Kind of the fake chrome plastic. Brushed steel, or however you want to call it, but it's all plastic. Plastic shutter enclosure, etc. Here's our shutter activator or trigger. Here's our film winder. Here's our viewfinder. Again, on the left side, you can actually see the framing element in there. Viewport for your film cartridge, and small tripod attachment point. Like the X-15, the access door for the film loading area is right here. A little button you press up and it opens the door. Here's the other side of the viewing window. You would load your cartridge in here. It feeds from the left to the right. As the film passes over this area, it will trigger, the holes in the film will increment itself properly with the winder. I can sort of see, you can see the letters there. Of course, in this angle of the light, it's hard to read. Try to read it from this direction. Made in Rochester, New York, USA, by Eastman Kodak Company. TM registered U.S. Patent Office. Uses Kodak 126 film, so that is pretty much standard throughout the INSTAMATIC series. And it's already been, I just wound it, so let's see what happens if I try to, so we can see the shutter go. Oh, you might have actually seen it just then. So watch right there in the middle. You can see the shutter activate. Pretty cool. That's basically about it. On the top here also says Kodak, facing this way, all capitals. And here's 3 square areas where I believe you can actually personalize it with stickers. So it looks like there's someone put the initials TSJ there. I've seen pictures of other cameras where these have been left blank and it'd just be 3 empty square slots right there. So pretty straightforward. Another carry strap. This one just loops through kind of an axle point right there, as opposed to being actual clip-on type of attachment. I can actually find my X-15. Maybe we can do a quick comparison. Real quick. Knocking stuff left and right here. So here is the X-15. You can see how there's more of this brushed faux steel and how the carry strap is actually attached with kind of a detachable loop point here, versus this is just literally looped around itself in kind of a loop knot and can be removed that way. And then here's a cincher right here on the strap. And you can see the strap itself is more of a rope as opposed to an actual strap. So just want to do a quick show and tell on the Kodak INSTAMATIC X-15F. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos, as well as selection of book review, media reviews, and we also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.